Hi guys. So I made a video about Floyd visiting KZN. And I see that there's quite a few people that are angry. Someone made a video about me, and unfortunately I could not stitch. If you know me, you know I don't answer such videos, but I think there's a few critical points that I wanna answer. And I'm not only answering for the person that made the video, but I'm answering for everyone maybe who has these questions, because this person is very angry and emotional, and I just don't understand. I mean, I knew man is on the talk. I wouldn't expect anything less. But let's get right to this person. I'm gonna play this video on the laptop.
What's this? Don't be excited. You don't know nothing about the president. You don't know nothing about the president. First of all, Mr. Zulu is not a king of KZN. He's not a king. Let me repeat again. He's not a king of KZN. Our king is Magadi, not Mrs. Zulu. Mrs. Zulu was put wafawa uRamaphosa. Wabekwa uRamaphosa zangabekwe indlunkulu. So don't come here and stop lying. I don't know why it's easy. You're old enough now. You're old enough. You should understand. Last time I catch you, usho amanga. You keep on coming. Namanga manye foot. Mr. Zulu is not a king. Let me repeat again. He's not a king. He's not our king in KZN. Our king Usmagate, not Mr. Zulu. Mr. Zulu wabekwa uRamaphosa. If you understand the mission Ramaphosa, you will know which why efaku Mrs. Zulu. Ufaku Mrs. Zulu because uRamaphosa befuna ukudla umhlaba wase KZN ngoba una mind right now. It's just because uRamaphosa wabeka uMrs. Zulu kuze uMrs. Zulu akwazi ukumvulela iminyango afaka amakhampani zakhe kuze adike umhlaba wase KZN phela. You get iyeke ipolitics zizipho iyeke are we understand you know are we as iyeke stay away from politics you don't understand I was next now you.
Okay, I do want to answer this part. Hey, yo. First of all, guys, I have never, ever claimed to know politics. I am not a politician. I have never claimed to be a politician. I've never claimed to be a politician. So when people get frustrated with me, I don't understand sometimes because, again, I'm not a politician. I don't claim to know politics. I am a content creator. But instead of doing content on makeup and hair and lashes and everything else that people do, content about cooking, spend the day with me, get ready with me, I chose to do politics I chose to do content with politics. So ndithini ngoku ndiye ku create content because ndiyanicapukisa. And also, guys, I am just a girl. Ndizihlelele endlini. I am not important, guys. You can never get this angry. I'm just a girl. So let's continue. Hey, yo.
I was next ngayo. If I can tell you what uMrs. Zulu uzafika kule stage right now bangaka abantu babulawa. Akwazi lokho. You don't know how many people have been killed in order to uMrs. Zulu abe kwipower. Where we power right now, ubekwe abathize ama-capitalist kuze akwazi ukuthola umhlaba wase-KZN njengoba bewemba right now. uMrs. Zulu is not our king. Iking ayibekwa upresident oqala. If we understand indlela oppressa ngayo thina manguni, we should understand ukuthi uMrs. Zulu akabekwanga indlunkulu wabekwa uRamaphosa. So you can't call that person a king. They call him a king because wabeka uRamaphosa were ANC and uRamaphosa has been used by capitalists. Not now, long time. He betrayed so many leaders. He betrayed Mandela. He betrayed everyone. He betrayed Zuma. He betrayed Klezan. He betrayed everyone because Ramaphosa akasebenzela umuntu omnyama usebenzela abagcindezeli. So yiyo ngithi iyeke indaba yepolitiki zizipho, iyeke awuyazi, iyeke, just stay away from it. Stay away from it. Iyeke. I know you to ufuna ama views, ufuna ukhuphula ama likes, but end of the day, remember one thing. We are busy fighting for our children in South Africa to get better life. We are not here to impress other people. We are here to fight our own children. This energy, you always put it here. You put it in the wrong direction. We should just focus on the struggle of saving black people. Stop what you're doing, man. You're fucking old, man. You old. Use the fucking mind. Use the fucking mind. When a young kid is going to be happy, in that is omyama. Anything oppressing to omyama, you become excited. That's why we will never be free as black people in South Africa. Because there are people like you.
Okay, let me answer this part. You can't blame the oppression of black people on me. On me. You blame her. Guys, I am not that important. You can never blame the oppression of black people on me. You can never blame the delay of black people getting free on me. You can't. You cannot. I don't care how good it makes you feel. You just cannot. You can never blame me for black people not being free just because I'm Nandisheli Engineer and I decided to make a TikTok video. You cannot. You can't. You can't. And again, I know this is going to sound a little bit insensitive. I see that you are emotional. When we say, let's go and vote, you don't vote. And then you want to be emotional by a TikTok video that I made. You want to be emotional this much because I made a TikTok video. You don't say these things that you guys are saying. You don't remember your kids when it's time to vote. And then you want to blame the oppression of black people on me. No, it can't be.
You know what? I hate you. You are an idiot. We'll never get free in Africa. We'll never. Because we still have people like you. Got enough energy, but they put that energy to the wrong direction. Instead of putting that energy to unite black people in order to fight our own land. But they don't do that. Only thing you do, you just keep on gossiping. And your gossiping doesn't help any black child.
You cannot put the uniting of black people wara on me. On me. The entire unity of black people, you put it on my shoulders. Who am I? You cannot. Oh no, you cannot. I don't care how angry you are, but you just cannot. I'm sorry. Sorry to burst your bubble. Content yonanza creator, you Wi-Fi yami, phone yam, lixesha lam. So I'm gonna create content. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry.